Hey everyone, welcome to Four Wheels Empire. Today we're gonna learn the symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. The purpose of the valve cover gasket is to keep engine oil from dripping out and dirt from coming in. Some gaskets also have the spark plug tube seals attached. These prevent engine oil from entering the spark plug tubes. The location of the valve cover gasket will be between the valve cover and the cylinder head. It's also important to know that some engines have two valve covers, so your car can have two gaskets. The first symptom you might be experiencing with a bad valve cover gasket is having your check engine light on. To be more specific, you might get a code for a misfire. This can happen if the spark plug tube seal is torn, allowing engine oil to enter. If the engine oil enters the spark plug tube, it can block the electricity flow from the coil to the spark plug. This in turn will prevent the spark plug from firing, leading to a misfire. The second symptom is oil leaking from the valve cover. If the gasket is torn or damaged, it won't be able to hold in the oil when the vehicle is running. This leads to the next symptom, smoke coming from the engine. Now this can happen if oil is leaking past the valve cover and onto a hot surface like the exhaust manifold. In some situations you won't see smoke, but you'll be able to smell burnt oil. The fourth symptom is an oil light on the dashboard. If too much oil escapes outside of the valve cover or into the spark plug tubes, the oil pressure sensor will notice it. Once this happens, the oil light will illuminate on the dashboard to warn the driver. If you ever run into this issue, make sure to take care of it right away, as the engine oil is super important for your car to run properly and not overheat. If this helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more car maintenance tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments, we always reply.